Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing for you some sorrel fruit cake. If you'd like to see how I prepare this, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Remember to watch the ads. Let's jump straight into it. To begin, we're going to add our mixed peel. Then we're going to add our mixed fruits. And lastly, we're going to add our cherries. You can add raisins, cranberries if you want, but I chose not to. Then we're going to add some sorrel. To that, we're going to add some red label wine. And we're also going to add some fruit wine. We are just adding enough to cover the fruits. Now we're giving this a stir, and I have put this to soak for 2 days. You can put it to soak for more. It depends on the time you have. Now we're adding some boiled sorrel, and then we are going to add this to the bullet and we are going to blend. So the entire mix can be added to the bullet because we are not making a lot of cake. We're just making 3-1/8 cake. So we're going to add all the fruits to the bullet and blend. This is what it looks like once you have blend, and with the excess liquid we add the fruits to the liquid. Then give it a stir. Now we're adding 1 cup of sugar and 6 ounces of butter, and we are now just going to cream the butter and the sugar together. I chose to use granulated sugar because we wanted the color of the sorrel to stand out. So if you add the dark sugar, which you can, it will give your cake a darker color. So we are just going to cream this until everything is well creamed. Now we're going to add 3 eggs. You can add them one at a time, or you can add the 3 eggs one time. That's what I did. And once we have added the eggs, we are then going to continue creaming until the consistency is creamy. So I've creamed this for about 5 to 8 minutes just to get the consistency that I want and to ensure that the egg was well beaten. Look at that, how creamy it looks. Ensure you do not rush the process, because if you rush the process, the cake will not come out how you want it to look. Look at how creamy this looks. This looks like white melted chocolate. Now we're adding the fruits, the blended fruits, to the cream, sugar, butter and eggs, and you should end up with a pinkish color. You are just going to whisk, and you can use a hand whisk for this. We are adding 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of all-purpose white flour and 1/2 cup of wheat flour. Then we are just going to combine and give it a good stir. Ensure that you sieve the flour before. Now we are going to add some spices, and we're adding some vanilla, we're adding some mixed spice, we're adding some almond, and we're adding some rose water. Now we're giving this a stir, and then we're going to add some ginger powder. You can add freshly squeezed ginger, and I'm also adding some cinnamon. Give that a stir and look at the color, how pretty this looks. The final ingredients that we will be adding is some crackers crumbs. You can always substitute this by using the breadcrumbs, but I like the consistency I get from adding the crackers crumbs. Now I'm adding bits of cherries. You can always skip this, or you can add cranberries, or you can add some sorrel right here. It depends on what you want. So after that, we're just going to grease and flour our baking tin, and we are going to do some cupcakes also, and 3 8-inch cake. Now look at the pour butter. It should not be runny, it should be of this consistency. And look at the color of the cake. To get a prettier color cake, you need to use the granulated sugar and avoid using the dark fruits, dark raisins and prunes and so forth. Look at this. I'm telling you guys, my mouth already starts water because you see we're almost complete taking out the butter from the dish. And you know, say once we're done complete taking it out, we are going to deal with that plate there. So you know, everybody I wait on the bottom of the dish here. Everybody in my household I wait on the bottom of this dish. We are going to lick it and have a good little time, you know. And every Jamaican know we are talking about. The cake is not complete until you lick it, you know. This is the cake. We are now going to add it to the oven. We have already preheated the oven, so we're going to bake for 1 hour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. This is the end result of the cake. I hope you find my recipe intriguing. For a more sorrel taste, remember to wet the cake with some sorrel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Until next time, it's your girl Anna. Bye.